Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's spooky season. For this zombie Halloween look, I'm first taking the L'Oreal True Match foundation and applying it with my Real Technique sponge. I'm now just blending a red eyeshadow on my eyelids, inner corners of my eyes, under my eyes, and I'm also contouring my cheeks. And the brush that I'm using is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. I'm not being super precise when I'm blending out this eyeshadow. I'm just blending it out all over my eyes and underneath my eyes to give that tired appearance. Now I'm going to take a gray eyeshadow and I'm blending it on my cheekbones, under my bottom lip, on my nose, under my eyes, on my eyelids, and also on my forehead. I really wanted this zombie to look old and scary. I love doing Halloween looks because you don't have to be super precise with your blending, and I love to make myself look scary. Now I'm going to add the red and gray eyeshadows onto my neck. I'm going to blank out my lips by adding foundation on top of them. And now I'm going to show you how I added the cut that is on my cheek. I'm using the Mehron liquid latex and I'm just first brushing it onto my cheek. And then after that, I'm going to use tissue paper and place it on top of the liquid latex. Once the tissue paper is placed down, I'll then rip off the edges of the tissue paper and repeat this process 4 times. You want to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes for the liquid latex to dry. You got to have vacation. While I wait for the liquid latex to dry, I'm just having a hot Cheeto break. Liquid latex is dry. You want to use tweezers to make a cut in the middle of the latex. Please be very careful when doing this. I'm covering the latex with foundation and then filling the middle of the latex with black face paint. Using red, black, and gray shadows, I'm just shading the edges of where the cut of the latex is. I'm now taking red face paint and just stippling it around the edge of the cut. Now adding some red eyeshadow around the edge of my lip before adding some fake blood to the look. First, I'm squeezing the fake blood into the cut and using a Q-tip to spread the fake blood on the edges of the cut. Stay tuned for the finished look, and please comment any other Halloween looks you would like to see me create. Thanks for watching. Bye!